I wear this t-shirt. It says made for lovers and lovers. Swagatam you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, this is me Gunjan and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and whatever I feel like. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'll be doing get ready with me for Valentine, and those who are single like me, they can call it as Galentine. This is the day where we celebrate with our family and friends, and ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Like Valentines are just not for lovers, they are for loved ones.
So let's begin with the video. I just get back all my hairs, and then the first product which I'm using is the primer. This is the Blue Heaven silicone based primer, and I'm taking just a pea amount on my face, not that much of it. And now I'll spread it on my face so that I can get even better and smoother base. So yeah, I'll spread it all over my face, especially the areas where I'm having pores, so that the makeup don't go inside. And the next step is the foundation. The foundation which I'm taking is the Maybelline Fit Me 230 Natural Buff, and I'll take the 2 drops because I need little bit more coverage on my face. So yeah, with the help of fingers, I'll just spread this foundation all over my face, and so that it's easy for me to blend it with the blender. So I'm using this foundation at all over my face. By the way, this is of my same skin type and I love it. Now the beauty blender I'm taking, this is just keep it wet and then use. Don't use dry beauty blender on your face, it will not blend your foundation. And now just blending and blending will work really nice if you blend your base nicely. Now the next up is I'm taking this concealer. This is also by Maybelline Fit Me 25 medium. This is of my same shade of my skin, so I just use this to cover my under eye area. That's it, so that I can, if I'm having so much of dark circle, which I'm having actually, so that I can cover up little bit. And with the same beauty blender, I'll blend this concealer only, and I'll conceal the areas only where I put this concealer. I'll not go too far on the chin side or at the forehead side, so I'll just blend it at there only. Now the another concealer is this is by Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade Sandal Sable, I guess Sand Sable, and this is a comparatively lighter shade on my skin, so I'll use this to highlight my areas of face, under eyes, nose and side of my lips, and of course the forehead. And with the same beauty blender, I'll start blending this. Blending works really nice. If you blend your base nicely, it will, all your makeup will come together. And I'll blend at the areas where I put this concealer. I'll not go too far, just the areas. Okay, so the next up we'll have to set our base. So for setting, I'm taking this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder. This is also of my shade, so I don't want to go too much light or too much dark on my face, so I'll just use this and set up my base, all my eyes, my face where I've used concealer. So yeah, I'll just set up with the help of this brush. So the next up is this is a eyebrow definer by Blue Heaven. So most of the products are by Blue Heaven only, and this is in the shade gray. This is relatively very nice on my eyebrows. By the way, I'm not the person who really make the eyebrows, so I just define it little bit, draw it, and then I'll fill it. And I'll not fill it too dark also, I'll just make it a little bit natural so that it will look natural and broad. That's it. So I'll do it for one eye. As you can see, I'm going very light-handed on my eyebrows. Next up, we are using the 2 eyeshadow palettes. This is by Swiss Beauty 04 Ultimate Palette, and this is the fluffy brush I'm using. From this palette, I took the light brownish shade, and then I'll put it at the outer corner of my eyes and just blend it and make this as my transition or the lightest shade. And I'll just build this up shade again and again on my eyes so that I can get that precise look. And again our fast forwarding is started. Okay, with another flat fluffy brush, I'm taking the darker shade from this palette. This shade, I really love it. When you will see on my eyes, it is looking fab. And I'll just go on the crease Yeah, so just on the crease, that's it. And I'll blend it again. I'll get together whole of my eyes with this. I really wanted to go a little bit browny, like brown shades, so that I can get my look proper, whatever I am deciding to wear and everything. Now this is the next palette, and from this I'll use this champagne shade. This is such a terrific shade. I love this shade. I mean, it really pops up your eyes nicely, as you can see. And I'll just start building this. You can see, wow, this is looking amazing, like legit amazing. And I'll just start building this shade, this glittery shade, and it will work really well for this occasion or for any occasion which you will be going for the party looks. And now I'm taking this, my favorite mascara. This is by Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. This really opened up my eyes and it works well on my eyes, my eyelashes actually. If you're not the person who is using eyelashes, falsies, you can go for it. Now this is the Swiss Beauty 3-in-1 palette, which I've talked in one of my video also. From this I'm using this bronzer. The bronzer don't work that well on my face, but because I used foundation concealer, so my face is of same color, base color, so I'm using this. And now I'm using this peachy blush because my eyes are quite pop and I don't want that my blush also looks red, because I'll be using the darker lipstick on my lips as well. So I'm using very light blush. By the way, I'm the fan of blush, like I like really using the blush. Now from this same palette I'll be using this highlighter. This is also a good champagne, light champagne highlighter, and I'll highlight the major parts of my face, of course the cheekbones, the nose area, and which is you'll be seeing in the fast forward. So wherever you feel that you need a little bit of highlighting, part the temple of my foreheads and everywhere. Now the lipstick, I don't have a lip liner, so I'll be using this bullet lipstick only. By the way, this is also by the brand Blue Heaven, and everyone asks which lipstick you use, so this is by the brand Blue Heaven only. Blue Heaven. And I'll just little bit draw my lips, not draw, actually fill my lips, and after you will see how precisely I put all together this red lipstick, because red lipstick is like key. If you don't go very precise, it will just come out of your lips and then it will look not nice. So this is how I just go very little handed and just fill it as a lip color only, lip liner, and then yeah, I'll just coat it up, and now you can see the result. See, from nowhere the lipstick is coming out. And the final, to just set up this whole makeup, gorgeous makeup, I'm using this Blue Heaven ka makeup fixer on my face so that I can set up whole of my makeup, and it works really well. Let it dry it up and then I'm ready.
Okay, you guys, I hope you like this makeup look. So this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. Please click on like button and subscribe to the channel. Till then, I'll meet you in the next video. Tata, bye.